Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. Today's video will discuss the best 3D printer lubricant for bearings. These 3D printer lubricants are especially for users looking to reduce friction and increase accuracy for their prints. With that in mind, we've gathered the top 5 lubricants on the market and will look at each in detail. We all know that a quality 3D printer lubricant can make a massive difference in the performance of your 3D printer. To help you out, we've got our hands on the top 5 3D printer lubricants for bearings. These lubricants are designed to reduce friction and improve accuracy while printing 3D models. These lubricant printers can be used in any condition that requires extra lubrication for a smooth printing experience. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer lubricant in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is the official Creality 3D printer. If you're searching for the ultimate lubricant to keep your 3D printer's bearings running smoothly, prepare to be blown away by the extraordinary Chemours Krytox GPL 105. Brace yourself for an exhilarating journey into the realm of awe-inspiring lubrication that will revolutionize your printing experience. Imagine a lubricant that defies the very laws of combustion. This magical elixir laughs in the face of fire, daring it to try and burn, even in liquid or gaseous oxygen. It's like having a fearless fire extinguisher, ensuring your printer stays cool, calm, and collected. But wait, there's more. The Chemours Krytox GPL 105 is a fearless warrior in the face of chemical warfare. It remains stoically inert to the most menacing substances known to humanity, from sulfuric acid to nitric acid and everything in between. With this lubricant by your side, you can conquer any printing battlefield. Get ready to be seduced by its slickness. This lubricant's low surface tension caresses metallic surfaces, ensuring an irresistible bond. And fear not, for it plays well with others, elastomeric seal materials and engineering plastics alike, the perfect harmony of compatibility and performance. So if you want the lubricant for your 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number